Let me tell you about the first time my mom was actually worried about me. I was 20 years old. I just had dropped out of college and I didn't have any plan and zero safety net. The only thing I had was a laptop and a weird obsession with Facebook ads. At the time, I thought I was ruining my life. Turns out that decision built every business I have today. And if you run an Airbnb or hotel, this one skill might change your entire future. But let's rewind. When I was 18, I thought I had it all figured out. Personal training was the dream. The second I turned 18, I got certified and I applied for jobs even before high school graduation. When I picked a college, I didn't tour classrooms and I didn't even check the dorms. I just asked one question: do you have student personal training jobs? That was my entire decision-making process, which in hindsight explains a lot. 2 years in, something started to bug me. I realized something nobody talked about in fitness school. The real money isn't by training one client at a time. It's by training the masses. And nobody was teaching that. Then, completely by accident, I found Facebook ads. And this is where the things got unhealthy. For 18 months, I studied every single day. Early mornings, late nights, and I spent whatever little money I had on how to learn this skill. It was like learning a new language, and slowly I started to drift. I stopped running ads for myself and started running them for actual businesses. HVAC companies, finance bros, healthcare companies, and personal training ended up getting put on pause. And since you're watching this video, it never came back. Ads were just too addicting. It felt like discovering a cheat code for a video game nobody else knew existed. Here's the turning point. Once I realized what ads could really do, everything changed. Since then, I started one agency that I've ended up closing, 4 other businesses that also didn't make it, but I also helped 3 friends go full-time on their businesses, founded Lodge Social, and built my newsletter called The Lodge Social and this YouTube channel where I get to talk to you every week. And every single one of those came from one skill: ads. Not branding, not logos, not finding your niche, just the ability to put the right message in front of the right person at the right time. And that's when I realized something that changed how I viewed marketing forever, especially for the short-term rental industry. Here's the problem with most marketing for Airbnb and hotels. Almost every channel depends on one thing. The guest has to actively be searching. Google, OTAs, Airbnb, VRBO, all only work when somebody types Airbnb near me or place to stay near me. But think about this. The number of people who are searching for a place to stay versus the ones who are interested in a place to stay is much larger. And it gets worse. If your property is even slightly off the beaten path, you're totally invisible. Nobody wakes up and says, let me search for a cabin near this town I've never heard of. It's a demand problem. Facebook ads completely flips this. Instead of waiting for demand, you create it. You show your stay to somebody who didn't even know they wanted it yet. It's the difference between opening a restaurant on a random road versus walking into a packed stadium handing out free samples. You show your stay to somebody who didn't even know they wanted it yet. There are 3 types of Facebook ads campaigns that every rental operator should know about. There are only 3 real ways to run Facebook ads. And most rental operators pick the wrong one. Let's go through them. You have your first option, brand awareness campaign. This is for when you don't know enough yet. You don't know who loves your stay, what people care about, where bookings are coming from, and why people don't book. So instead of chasing bookings, you chase 2 other things: followers and leads, because bookings are sold later through email, retargeting ads, and familiarity. This is the cheapest way to learn about your market and your guest. It's like dating before proposing. You don't walk up to a random girl and say, hey, do you want to get married? You learn about them first. Then we have option 2, a purchase campaign. This one is dangerous. This one is dangerous because purchase ads are expensive. They work only when 3 things are true. Your stay is familiar, your location is popular, your price is reasonable. Let me give you 2 examples. If I had a 5-bedroom mansion in Mason, New Hampshire, I am not running a purchase campaign. Nobody books mansions that often. Nobody really knows where Mason, New Hampshire is. And they have to understand the first 2 things in order to trust my property. But if I had a 2-bedroom stay in Acadia National Park, I would run a purchase campaign. It's perfect. Millions of people go there every year. Everybody understands the type of stay, so therefore the money comes back fast. Purchase ads are like sprinting. If you're not on solid ground, you're going to fall down flat on your face. Then we have our third option, the hybrid strategy. This is what most of our clients do. Your stay is familiar, so you glamping, lake cabins, beach resorts, but your location might not be super popular. So we split the budget. Half goes to brand awareness, half goes to the purchase. Then we watch. After 2 or 3 months, we figure out where are the bookings really coming from. If it's email and the leads, we lean more into the brand awareness strategy. If it's direct purchases from the ads, we lean more into sales. It's like fishing with 2 rods in the water. Let the fish tell you which one works best. Here's a quick simple rule to help you figure out which strategy to run. It's like a shortcut. If your stay is under $450 per night within 30 minutes of something popular, go straight for the purchase. If not, think about choosing brand awareness or the hybrid strategy. This one rule will save you thousands. Let's try putting what we've talked about so far into a framework. You might want to screenshot this. First step, rate your stay type. Is it familiar or unique? Familiar examples could be cabins, beach houses, hotels, glamping, camping. Unique examples could be mansions, remote properties, or experiential stays. Then we have our second step, rate your location. Is it popular or unknown? Some popular examples could be near a national park, near a popular beach town, near some major attractions. Some unknown examples are rural towns, off-grid locations, and new destinations that not many people know about. Then we have our third step, choose your path. If you have a familiar stay in a popular location, go with the purchase campaign. If you have a unique stay in an unknown location, go with brand awareness first. And if you have a familiar stay in an unknown location, go with the hybrid option. If you don't know which option is right for you, ask yourself this. Would a stranger recognize your type of stay? Have they seen it before? Would they know where the location is that your stay is located? And would they book this without researching for weeks? If yes, pick the purchase campaign. If no, pick the brand awareness or hybrid campaign. And listen, whether you've ever run ads or not, just learn one marketing skill that can give you incredible leverage. For me, it was Facebook ad, and it's changed everything. If you like more short-term rental marketing content like this, hit the subscribe button. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.